Welcome to Captain's Quarters, a spacious family home in Ocean View, Norfolk. It is about 1.5 miles from the beach, so very close, and multiple beaches. They're Norfolk's best beaches. As you can see, you open up to a living room and a dining room, enough space for everyone in the house to sit at for a meal together. Moving this way, we'll go through the kitchen first. I'll cover all the living areas. This is a fully equipped kitchen, has everything you need for storage and for cooking. All the basics here and all the appliances you need to make meal prep easy and give you options. We have our cooking area over here, extra storage, 2 pantry options for you. Moving into our first bedroom, this is a full bed. As you can see from the bookshelves, we have so much storage for you to put your clothes in. There's also a closet in here. We have kept it locked, but you can open it if you want to. First bathroom is a walk-in shower option. Plenty of storage for multiple people to keep their belongings in here. And then attached off of here is our laundry facilities. These are free for you to use for big loads as well. Moving into our spacious living room. As you can see, there's definitely enough space for everyone to huddle around the TV for a movie night. Moving out to our backyard. This is a pet-friendly property, so we have a fully fenced backyard. The pink shed is available for you to store extra equipment in if you need to. And then we have a cute little gondola if we get some yard chairs for you. You can enjoy the beautiful weather out here. There's extra parking if you want to open these gates and park more cars in here if you need to. Moving right on through the house. We have one way to get back to the dining room and the front door, and then we have another bedroom. So this is considered the master, the main bedroom in the house. It does have a desk for anybody that works remotely. Plenty of storage with 2 closets and shelves, as well as these cubbyhole bookshelves. And there's an attached bathroom here, a tub shower combo for any age in the house. More storage for you as well. And then off of this room, you can access the dog run, or there's also just extra space if you need to store anything. If you have like a ping pong table or something, this is a perfect space for it. The fishing equipment and the beach equipment are available for you to use. And then this is another access point to the backyard. And moving right along this way, here is our third bedroom down here. It is a twin and has the option for another twin bed to pull out if you really need it, but it is currently built for 1. There are extra linens in the closet if you need them. Twin bedroom. All of our rooms are equipped with smart TVs, so you can log into your own accounts. And then through that hallway, you can access our 4th bedroom. You have your own floor. This is another queen bed. Super spacious area up here. Does have its own additional AC unit. You can plug in if you need some extra flow. And there is another bathroom up here, however, there's no shower. So just keep that in mind when you're planning on who is staying up here. You will have to use a downstairs shower, but there's ample storage under the bed. 2 armoires for you as well. Welcome to Captain's Quarters. We're so excited to have you. See you soon.